welcome back to this channel, Seasons of Wonder. My name is Giselle and I am a homeschooling mom to my little girl who is 5 years old. And on this channel, I love sharing all that I'm learning in this wonderful journey, as well as all that we're currently doing as a homeschooling family. So we just came back from a trip. We just came back from the country of El Salvador. We went to visit our family and it was just so lovely. We have so many beautiful memories. But now we're ready to come back. We're ready to go back to homeschooling and also just get things in order again. We're both so anxious to get back to homeschooling. I know my little princess, as soon as she came back, that very first day we came back home, she took out all her books. She was looking at her books. She was copying words from her textbooks. So I know she's anxious to get back to homeschooling, and so am I. I'm so excited. But I also have to do some cleaning and tidying up because even though we left a clean house, when we came back, everything got disorganized again. You may know how it is. When you come back, you start leaving things everywhere, baggage, and also my little princess was playing with all her toys, so everything's out. So I need to do that as well. But my priority today is to do some lessons. I want to do a Bible lesson, and math and language arts. So that is my priority today, and I will be taking you along. So we are going to read, let's see, Jacob's ladder. There is someone from among their own people. He set off on his journey feeling lonely and frightened. At sunset, he settled down to sleep on the ground, wrapping his cloak around him for warmth. So, as he slept, Jacob had a dream. He saw a staircase reaching up to heaven with angels moving up and down it. The angels were carrying God's messages. Then Jacob saw God standing near him. God said, "I am the God of Abraham and Isaac." So we only got to language arts. We didn't get to do math. We did our Bible and language, and we don't have time to do anything else, but that's okay. I'm still happy that we got to do one lesson, and so tomorrow we'll do math or we'll do both lessons. We'll see how it goes. But I do have to get to cleaning and just doing. There is so much to do, so I have to get to that. So I wanted to show you what our home looks like right now. It's so messy. Like I mentioned before, I did leave a clean house, but it got messy real quick. We got here Sunday, and today is Tuesday, so it got this messy in that much time. But I'm excited to get everything back in order, to clean and to tidy up, and that's what I'll be doing in a little bit. our living room looks now. This was the messiest room, so I'm so glad I got to tidy up. I think it looks so much better. I didn't get to unpack everything, so the baggage is still sitting there. But I will do that little by little. But I think it looks so much better. So I also wanted to show you some of the things we brought back from our trip. Just special little things, traditional things. And so I'll be showing you that right now. So I got this rolling pin. And this little bowl for the sugar. I love the way it looks. It's so pretty. So I will have this in my kitchen. So this is something that will not only be useful but will also look so pretty. So I am really happy with this. And so I also got these 2 wooden spoons, these bracelets. So I didn't ask what these were made of, but they are so pretty. So we each got one of these. And I also got these handmade earrings. I love the colors. And I got these cloth towels. These are to cover tortillas. So I do make tortillas. My husband likes handmade tortillas. So I got these. And these are traditional colors. And this one, I love the colors on this one. I think they're so pretty. And my husband was so sweet to get me a traditional dress. So let me show you. So it looks like this. So I think it's so beautiful. And for our little princess, we got this little dress. And I cannot wait to take pictures of her with it. And we also got these. These are huaraches. These are traditional shoes. These are for me. But we also got these for our little princess. And these traditional sandals for me as well. So I forgot to show you this also. We got, this is a tortilla keeper. It's just to keep the tortillas warm. So I'm just so happy with this. I love the colors and I really needed this because like I said before, I do like to make tortillas for our family. So I will definitely be using this. So that is all that we got. And we're just so thankful that we got to make this trip. We have so many beautiful memories. And we hope to go back soon as well. I'm missing the mountains and just the beautiful scenery. It truly is a beautiful country, and I'm just so happy that we got to go and we got to visit our family and make memories. So thank you so much for watching. This is all that I had today. Thank you so much for coming along. I hope that you enjoyed watching. And I will be seeing you in the next video.